Ekibiina kya National Resistance Movement kyongedde okunnyikiza enteekateeka y'okulonda abakulembeze ku mitendera egy'enjawulo mu kibiina kino nga n'olwaliro waddeyo okulonda ku miruka okwongerezako okwo okwaliyo wiiki ewedde. Ssentebe wakakiiko kebyokulonda Tanga Odoi ategeezezza bannamawulire ku kitebe ky'ekibiina kino mu Kampala ng'ekibiina bwe kyetegese obulungi era bwe kigenda okunywereza ddala obukulembeze bwakyo nga okulonda wonna tekugenda kutaataaganyizibwa era n'ayozaayoza bannakibiina kyonna abennyigidde mu kwetaba mu bululu bwonna obuze butegekebwa.
Most petitions were actually NOC1. We had 57 petitions. After NOC1, we had 57 petitions. Only 2 have not been answered to now. One from Kanungu by a person called Kadem Tugwesijire, which came in yesterday. Actually, there are 3. Which came in yesterday. The second one from Rwemiyaga, which was brought by Honorable Theodore Seshkubo, the lawyers are handling. And the third one came from Honorable Asuman Chijiji, who complained about delegates from Kabuli being taken and hidden in Kayunga.
Tanga avuddeyo ne yeewaana n'ategeeza nga NRM yategese okulonda okw'emirembe bw'okulaggeraageranya n'okulonda kwayo okuze kubeerawo.
We have deleted 958,336 entries of people who are in the register, who are either dead or have moved on, or have said if they have moved to another party. The Baraza helped us to delete 958,336 entries. Elections were held in all the 72,000 villages across the country, except for a few who did not have, who had issues, and the elections have not been very few. And what are those? They are those which had camp politics, camp fighting, and did not vote. We have those like Kagoroko village in Lokoma parish.
Ono agamba nti akalulu akalimu enkaayana mu kusooka mu bitundu ebimu ng'erw'emiyaga luuka n'ebitundu ebiri